We learn from geography classes that water body is marked with blue on the map, but nature likes to miss us and creates oddities just like Lake Hillier. It's located on middle island of the southern coast of Western Australia. It delights your eye with its pink color. Its surreal side, the pink lake neighbors the dark blue water of the Indian Ocean, with a strip of lush green forest acting as a barrier. The lake is 600 meters long, 250 meters wide, and extremely salty, about 8 times salter than the ocean. The unusual pink color of the lake has long been a mystery. Scientists visited Lake Hillier to collect water and sediment samples. Their analysis revealed that Lake Hillier contains almost 500 extremophiles, organisms that thrive in extreme environments, including bacteria, archaea, algae, and viruses. Most were halophils, a subgroup of extremophiles that can tolerate high levels of salt. Several of those halophils were colorful microbes like purple sulfur bacteria, Salinobacter ruber, which are red orange bacteria, and red-colored algae called Danolila salina. The mix of these microbes and possibly others explains the pink color of the lake. Scientists say the reason why these microbes are colored may be the purple, red, orange pigments they contain, known as carotenoids, provide some protection against extreme saltiness. Some of the microbes discovered in Lake Hillier appear to be new to science, but they still need to be fully characterized. Australia has many pink lakes, for instance, Lake McDonald, Lake Hart, and others. Unlike other pink lakes, however, which regularly change colors in accordance with temperature fluctuations, Lake Hillier maintains its pink shade year-round. The water even retains its color when bottled. Unlike the other pink lakes of Australia, Lake Hillier is only accessible by air or sea, the best option for the most spectacular views being taken to the skies.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay.
Welcome, Lake Hillier. We are explorers.